Want to know how to use the Google AI Studio? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick minute guide on how to use it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, using Google AI Studio is pretty easy. Here you can see various navigation bars and tools that you can use to use the Google AI Studio for various purposes, from chatting, streaming, generating media, and building apps as well. So first thing first, on the top right, you can also see your profile. So make sure you are logged in to see it. If you aren't, we have also created a video on how to do it. So you can see settings on top right here where you can enable or disable light theme or dark theme. Now right here you can also save on drive, and you can also see various terms and services sending feedbacks as well. Now right here contains your dashboard with API keys, usage and billing, and so much more. There is also a documentation tab, so there will be various documentation and then models shown right here. Now next thing, let's move on to the main part. So once you're under Studio right here, on the left side you can see various options. From chat, where you can just simply type in generate images or just chat with AI Studio right here. So you can just simply type anything and then just select this run prompt right here, or just select intro on your keyboard. Next thing, you can also head towards stream and you can talk to Gemini live, either through webcam, microphone, and also by setting stream. Here you can also change the voices to anything, and then also media resolution. There is also many settings you can explore, so make sure to find the right one. The next thing, here you can see generate media. Now right here you can see various media that you can generate: image generation, speech generation, video, the most popular one, and much more. Now next thing, you can just simply build up an app. So simply select build right here. Now you can just create by selecting start from a template, and you can just simply type in a prompt as well, and then just select this arrow icon right here. And once that is done, your app should begin to build. Now right here you can see various playgrounds like Prompt DJ, Live Audio, Mumble Jumble, so much more. You can just simply select these and then start building. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.